This is a 2004 Sea Ray 390 motor yacht named Dreamer 3, located in Madison, Wisconsin. Here is the helm as well as the cockpit seating of the 390 motor yacht. Entertainment area. The Sea Ray is equipped with a Ray Marine radar, smart craft gauges, bow thruster. We'll go down into the cabin. Control panel for your 110 as well as your 12 volt. We take a couple steps down into the galley. Full-size refrigerator. This boat is equipped with a washer-dryer combo as well. Forward head and shower. Forward stateroom. The aft master stateroom. Walk around bed. Hanging closet, plenty of storage, more storage, vanity. Head is separate from the shower. Here's your separate shower. Again, this was a 2004 Sea Ray 390 motor yacht located in Madison, Wisconsin. Thank you for looking. Have a great day.